Sanibona Dumelang, everybody, and welcome back to Soweto Podcast. Y'all know who it is. It's your girl, Tamika Casa, back again with another bang, bang, bang. And today, I'm not alone. I'm with my beautiful mama right here. And then, guys, before we get on moyona, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you want to comment, it's alone, le busy, le judge bana ba bang. Happy when we listen, we don't judge, guys. So let's respect other people's stories. Because some feels bad, they went through trauma. Let's be soft more and understand, okay, life sometimes it can life you, you know? Without any further ado, let's step right into it. So, Bona Mama.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm good and you?
I'm good, thank you. Please introduce yourself to our beautiful audience.
Kamala Mkosi Dorinem Somi, known as Indlovukazi, the Lioness, Queen of Chiskop, Ichiria Sekasi, Isesterla Sekasi, Uma Uleido Sekasi, Ipanzulagazi, Vandalicious.
Okay.
Yes.
Habash. I like the Vandalicious part. Jesus. Okay, Mama, so today, we'll take a story sa ini. Mami uhlak ay.
Msogala Soweto, Orlando West. 50 years old, Nabantwana by 2.
Okay.
Yes, that's me.
That's you. 50 years, I don't believe. Anyway, we move. Okay, Mama, can you please tell us about your story? Because I know you have a ton of life experience. But
yes, my past, end up being a motivational speaker and a gender-based violence activist and femicide.
Okay.
I'm a survivor, being 8 times by 8 different people, and I know them one by one.
Guys, before we get into this amazing app that you can use to score yourself an extra buck. There's this app called Easy Bets. So guys, Easy Bets, where you download a free 50 Rand sign-up bonus plus 25 free bonus spins. Can you just imagine? And please do not forget to use the promo code SOWETO all these beautiful privileges. And the link is down below in the description box. Easy Bet all the way.
Close. Ngaphandle nje komuntu oyi-1. The first one, he was a gang member. Angisafunda isikolo, I was still a virgin.
Okay.
He raped me on top of a school desk. Came back ngathula because my worry was ukuthi ngingabi pregnant. You understand? I couldn't even tell anyone. Ngibuyile nje ngangena ekhaya. Everything kwaba ngathi normal, yabona. But the moment ngikala ngigeza, I felt ukuthi ngathi ngolile. Yabona. I couldn't even tell anyone. So I think the past 2 weeks I told ugeli ngangihamba naye when the guy grabbed me. Matthias, you know what? After all these years, kunento bekumele ngabe ngitshele yona. Bekungakafika ukuthi ngitshele yona, but I think it's time now I tell you. Because the guy make ngithatha uthe kimi ngiyathatha ngihamba nawe dala ngishayela but awungifuni. So here's the thing. If ungavuma ukuhamba nami, ngizohamba nani noyi-2 nomngane wakho. And mangihamba nani noyi-2, I'm going to rape her in front of you. And ngize ngimtshela ukuthi this is happening because of wena. Ngoba wena awufuni ukungiqoma. And I was like, ish. Let me protect her because yabo la mantombazana quiet nyana. Yabo, when I'm this kind of a girl or hype. Yabo. So kana ngimtshela nje manje after 2 weeks later. And then the continued. Mfana next door. Ayifake mina ngaphansi. Dala.
And how old are you that time? Mama, you were still saying, how old were you then?
15, 16, 17. Lapho.
So it's exciting throughout the years.
Yes.
Okay.
Then guy was next door. I think it was the second house ukuthi bene TV. So i-TV besingayazi ngaleso sikhathi leso. So usually makuqala kuba late bengiya kubo ngijump ngifike ngibhekele i-TV. So there was a couch like this. So masihleli kwi-couch, remember we are seeing a new box esingayazi kunabantu asking ourselves questions ayibo labo abantu bangene kanjani in. So masihleli so bekuba uye kube yimi then kube omunye brother wakhona ne. Then this one will grab a blanket and then simbat, like focusing like. So masses loku sibhekelele, I would hear him like faka izandla zakhe. So the other one could hear every movement but bekangakhoni ukusho anything because I think naye bekasancenga indawo yokuhlala, we understand. And the other one, by that time, he was my boyfriend, but he couldn't even say a word. So angifaki imino ngaphansi and akekho umuntu obonayo, ne? Then mase kuzophela lento esibhekelele, like keep izandla zakhe, and then I'll just like go home. And then everything it continue kahle. And then the other one is, I'm even afraid of saying it, cousin brother, umfundisi.
What?
Yes, he's a pastor was a Salvation Army. He would start by spanking me, makhulu mamkhulu. Let's say mhlambe sisekhishini mamkhulu se dining room or a sitting room, he would start by spanking me what until one thing led to another, to the point ukuthi kuthiwe mase kuthiwa uyashada. Unkosikazi wakhe mina ngimbone that day kuyiwe khona. And I felt lento ukuthi lona mose ungenza izinto ezi out, but at the end of the day uthatha unkosikazi. How come? There was something ethi kimi stoppa yonke lento le, and I was like, but no one is going to believe me because umamkhulu wami bekamthanda. Bekamthatha njengomntanakhe. And I said, but no one is going to believe me. Okay, let me keep quiet. Nalo wase next door same thing. Mama bekamthanda. I grew up mina ngimthatha njengobhuti. Fine, ngasuka ngapha eSoweto Orange Farm, Orange Farm. Then the others were like boyfriends. I was not a person who was sexually active. Bengikuthanda nje, like, guy you nice, maybe mhlawumbe guy you popular esikoleni, I know, but yo la, yabona. Then they would like, hayi asambi, yabona. Masifika lapho, the other one approach her recently.
Okay.
Kubekiwe ama-fruits, ama-juice, ini ukuthi no man, lo muntu uye was prepare ukuthi uzongilanda esikoleni. Athi kimi khumula iblazer uhlale ube free hlala. Angaze vele ngilale naye. You understand? And then he took that advantage and I was like, okay. But this thing is called because I didn't agree mina ukuthi ngilale naye. Fine. It happened. Mangiphuma kubo sekusha isikhathi esidlulile ukuthi ngifike ngasekhaya. Mangifike ekhaya, couldn't even tell my mom because my mom bekajikana, couldn't even tell my mom. Mangiqeda nje ukungena sekuvala umnyango sengiyashaya. Remember ngapha ngapha ngiyashaya.
Ukuthi ufike late.
Ukuthi ngifike late. I'm like, angikwazi ukukhuluma zonke lezi zinto lezi because noma ngathi ngitry ukumtshela, possibilities ukuthi angahlala ngangibelieve are there. Azitshela ukuthi I'm trying to protect myself. Omunye bekahlala Palm Springs. Naye ungitholile Facebook. Yabona? So the guy ngihlangana naye kanjani? Ngisema group ina different. So this lady kuzoba ne event yabantwana bama special needs. Kuzoba ne event. So unabantwana bayi3 bana special needs. Yabona ngithi no man. As much as I do motivational talks, angene ku-inbox yamakhulumi nami. No, these things happened when ungafocus ukuthi umntwana uye waphazamiseka esesibhedlela. Focusa ukuthi abantwana babe right. We understand because besike deala ngokuthi funa isibhedlela simbhadale in all those things. Friday ugela ngene ki-inbox, kunjani sharp, right? Uyaza ku-event, ngithi yes I'm coming. Athe ngicela ukuza nobaba wasendlini. No stress, vele siyabafuna nabo ukuthi basupport as much as we need support from my partners age or ama husband. Bez bafike kwi-event ngiyababona bayangena but angikho 100% kubo because usisters angimazi. Niye komunye usisi usibani lo athi yaho into okay ngizoyibabingelela. The main person engifuna ukumbona umntwana because umntwana uvele waphathwa pneumonia yabona. Then umntwana the following day masebeya umntwana like now his brain damage, like he's physically challenged now akakwazi ukukhuluma. The moment in approach her kanti ngibhekene no guy straight so lama lama nje ngiphakamisa amehlo most like shooting imbheke fast yabo ithi ngajiki let me continue ngiyobona umntwana yabona kufike ngibulisa umntwana even though umntwana ngeke azangiphendula ngithi hayi ngibona umntwana yabona because even noma mawubabamba they sense you they feel you ukuthi no this person uze ngothando the moment ngisukuma sengibuyela la bengihleli khona I started crying couldn't even sit down so two ladies saw me bangilandela yini ngathi yo kule 8 engihlale ngisho one of them is here athi no Thula we'll find a way yokuthi mangabe ufuna ukum-approach and I was going to be a speaker futhi khona lapha no hayi ngizilungise then the moment ngiloko ngikhuluma lapha I even said even one of the perpetrators is here ukuthi njani ngize ngisho ukuthi ubani because if ngizosho possibilities zokuthi something might happen to him is there angifuni kusasa kube nibe involved ukuthi hey baye bamshaya bamlimaza ini qeda ukukhuluma ngiye kugela igelo wazamani samsohlala lapha like qala nje ngibuza nje into ezigeneral yabona ithi ngiyabona ukuthi hayi uhamba nomuntu hayi indoda yami ngithi hawu thangaze ngitshela igama lakhe ngithi hayi khuleka yabona nje umuntu kahlala Orange Farm ngisho isibongo like ngisho family members athi how do you know him ngithi is one of the perpetrators kule 8 engihlale ngikhuluma ngayo ugela qala athuke athe ithi ngilanda cigarette ufuna ukubhema yabona so ngiyamlandela ngasemuva because I don't know ukuthi ukusukuma kwakhe uzocollapse or uzokwenza ini because I just told her something ethusayo ayalanda cigarette abuye abheme ngithi mina no I just wanted to let you know njengomuntu ebese kungathi mina nawe siba ne friendship we understand because ikusasa uzongena ku inbox yamfuna ukukhuluma nami thola ukuthi angisekho right for wena because there's something engazange ngitshele yona ngithi mina and I wish ukuthi ngimtshele hayi imbiza mtshele ade ngifuna umtshele phambi kwami ngithi yes kube yimi bo unkosikazi wakhe kube unyusisi hayi ndoda wazala make ngibiza futhi athi kunjani Doreen
wahubona
then unkosikazi manje amehlo sewaqala sewathi kunjani Doreen mazelaphi because angaka-introduce hayi nyamazi besihlale Orange Farm ini yabona so utrya ukuphutha all the pieces yeah nithi hayi you know what ngibizela ukuthi ngikhumbuze ukuthi what you did to me yabona aqala hayi zangenze nje it's useless for you to pick noma umuntu umbulele uba ne reason uthi self defense and bengeke ngize ngikusukele ukuthi ngivele ngitshele and unkosikazi wakho ekhona we understand and I was like yo hayi bengimncane ngaleso sikhathi leso and bengacabanga ukuthi leyo nto leyo uzoyikhumbula until now and I said to him umenzi uyakhohlwa umenziwa akakhohlwa and njengoba sengibonile sihlanganiswa umuntu ebesingacabanganga ukuthi uzosihlanganisa and I think the friendship ebesithi siyayenza lo sisters is going to stop today because usebenzise ese-clue bekayi middleman yokuthi kushuthi uNkulunkulu ubonile ukuthi iwish yami was ukuthi ngiku-approach one of the good days and uguy uthi no ngicela ma-attend ama-event ungi-invite in I'm like uyazizwa Marotho uthini because mina mangimile lapha
akaxolisana noxolisa
yes bangimile lapha yangikhuluma kuzofika into yokuthi ngikukhombe uzophelela esitulweni now I'm not thinking about myself I'm thinking about the safety yakho at the end of the day it's you who me but mina I'm thinking about in the safety yakho ngithi mina kuye you know the thing ebengiyifuna bengifuna nje ungitshele maybe a stupid reason
excuse nyana
you understand but now ungitshela ukuthi usesemncane doesn't give me into eyenza sense ukuthi vele bowuncane but bowazi ukuthi kune intimacy that's one thing mawuncane you don't know anything about sex yabona ngiyeke kanjalo so mase kuphunywa ke sekuyahanjwa ke ngithi kuya requesta ini okay ubhizi ugijima emva kwami hey man sicela usirequest like akasapaying attention kunkosikazi wakhe ne upay attention like kimi he's giving me the attention ngithi mara aweke ukuthi unonkosikazi manje Now njengokuloku ngilandela, it's like ngathi there is something oyifunayo kimi. You understand? Ngithi and unkosikazi wakho unama numbers ami. Loya usisi loya umngani kankosikazi wakho unama numbers ami. Wena if you feel like you want to talk to me, you can talk to me. You understand? Maybe lento ifike kuwe as a shock, but maso ubona ukuthi so right to talk to me, you can. Fine, go hanjo. On my way back, received a call yokuthi one of my sisters passed away.
Same day.
Same day. Khanda lami lathi. Angingena endlini. Kwaba ngathi khana ngikwata manje ukuthi why ngazange ngimbambe, why ngazange ngize ngimshaye. But I just cried kumama ngathi ngiface umuntu owake wang. But I understand ukuthi why khana ngikwata manje. I understand, but at the same time it's a good thing because kube ngikwate lapha yana. Ngabe sikhuluma esinye story. Phela mawukwatile kunezinto engathi ziyavuka uba namanye amandla njengoba understand ukuthi aphumaphi. Yabona?
So mawutshela umama wakho, did your mom know before or bekhana umtshela ukuthi you've been?
Yeah, mama mbesekazi.
Okay.
Because the time, I think when I attempted to the 11th time, that is where everything came out. No, you don't understand because it believe I am baby and I understand. You don't understand. Get wayenze ukuthi nokuthi. Yenzeke ngo December years back mangenza the this 11. Then January they wanted to talk to me. Ukuthi girl kunezinto zikhulumile asazi noma uzikhulume because you were angry or you were under influence of alcohol, but we need to sit down with you and I prepared myself. Ngathi a response engizoyithola kulaba abantu. I don't know if it's negative or positive, but let me prepare myself. That is when ngaqala ngabatshela ke good no this and this and this and this and this happened. Engazange ngize ngiba mention ngamagama are those ones ekade kwama boyfriend yabo, but the other ones abatshela good no umuntu sono baye bangenza izinto eziso yabo.
And then how did your family resolve that issue after finding out or next door neighbor? But about how she must killing your they've been doing that. Did they do anything?
Okay, ngamuzwa engena kubo ehleka. Izindlu zangalamadabule so ngiyamuzwa yangena uyahleka and ngisempedeni. Something just came me ukuthi yabona ngakwata. Ngathi you know what? Ngiyakuya. So ekhaya ngasemuva kune gate. Then kune gate elise front. Decide ukuphuma ngilase front ukuthi ekhaya bangangiboni. Ngaya ngale ngakhokote sanmarazi njani yabona ayime cela ukukhuluma nawe yabona siphumele ngaphandle siphume siye eback mangimtshela ngithi you know what I remember yonke into ongenze yona mfethu futhi uthini first time make eceda ukungibona athi kimi do you need a hug? Athi no I don't need a hug, I don't need anything from you yabona. Ngithi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bongenzana ongifaka izandla ngaphansi ini and khana ngikhuluma manje leyo nto leyo because sekufika isikhathi sokuthi ngikhulume kanti my younger brother ungasemuva naye uyezwa yabona athi no why khana lento uyikhuluma manje and why all along bungayikhulumi because bekathi makezile kubo bengamind ukujumpa yabona kunjani yabona but nje out of nowhere like the relationship leyo kubingelelana ini vele ya change from game. Ukuthi man lo muntu ke wakwenza into so why are you always happy mawumbona? You understand? Ngithi mina athi kimi hayi ngcono ngibiza ifamily yasekhaya bekusese bekune covid ke kusavaliwe. Ngithi with pleasure. Ngithi the pleasure is all mine. We understand? Then masizo approach i-toilet then igate lasekhaya leli ngasemuva umntana sekhaya kanti sekamele yabona athi yini all right ngithi yang right athi kwenze njani ngithi no u decide ukubiza abantu bakubo athi haya keze napho bangena. I couldn't even sit bengiloko ngisukuma ngilonguza ngefastere yabona like feeling ukuthi this is too much azange ngize ngiyiplanele ukuthi izokwenzakala so we understand. So now ukwata uyaphiya even usiswakhe thina besikuphi bakenza yonke leyo nto leyo and kwaba ngathi kuba nokuxabana nyana okukhona yabona ngathi njengoba nibona la ekhaya kune gate eliphumela ngapha But for me, I'm not going to use that gate anymore. Ngiphinde ngene lapha yana kulela charity. You understand? Ukubingelelana nosisi wakhona nabanye kuzoba ukubingelelana, but uGuy lo angifuni anything ezomhlanganisa naye, because now uthi ya ngivumisa ngenkani ngathi ungikhombe ngesibhamu. Ngathi but
umuvumise inkogo, he did that to you.
Yes. Ngathi kuye okay. But at the end of the day, it's me and you. No brother wakho owaziyo istory, because I even said kubo laba esahleli nabo ngithi no usibani bani uyayazi leyo nto leyo. We understand. So wathi ubrothers like umntana sekhaya make ikhuluma futhi wathi no, okay, as much as wenza ama motivational talks ini I think naye lo angakusiza mangabe kuzoba nama event ini because bahamba le ndawo lezi abantu aba well known. We understand?
Wabana ngakusiza?
The guy
Lo
bekamfaka izandla ngaphansi.
Kusho bhuti wakho lo?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, even nama I agreed kuleyo nto leyo. Ukuthi yeah, angithi wena wazi abantu abakwazi abadila nge-gender based violence ini. Even nala usebenza khona, if they want to speak, you can come to me and tell me ukuthi lapha yana kufuneka speak. Me saying that, it was another way of me punishing him. Ukuthi wena uzohamba uyongifunela ama-event. Mina I'll just come and speak. Even though I knew ukuthi bekangeke azayenze leyo nto leyo. Understand? Fine. Yaphela kanjalo. Angeni kubo total. Kushone umama obakhulisile. Angithi yazi makushoniwe siyaya siyosiza. I couldn't even go there. Cabanga kuse next day I said like ngumuntu ongakwazi ukupretenda at all. If I keep my distance, I keep my distance. Any distance yami for me ingilethela peace. Yabona? Vele nje ngaya nje masebe esontweni, ngabuya esontweni, ngangena ekhaya, so bebephakela nasekhaya, yabona? Even my younger sister said, yazini ngiyabonga ukuthi uyasiza, awudecidanga ukuthi uzivalele or awudecidanga ukuthi uphume uhambe, yabo. So uGuy namanje make qhamuka ubona lento ukuthi afuna ukuhleka ini like angizwisa ukuthi ukhona.
I got away with it.
Yes. And bese mina ngenzani? Okay, ngiyamuza ukhona and bathanda ukuhlala futhi efront. Then I'll go ngiphume bese ngiyeshop. It's either mangehla or mangikhuphuka ngizombona. And mangimbona masibhekana so I'll be like, I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still standing. Lokho kukusaba lokho kuphelile manje. Angeke ngithi mangizi voice yakho bese ngiyazivalela. And sometimes uthola ukuthi maybe benabo brothers bakhe. Ngizobikelela abo brothers bakhe ngibabize ngamagama. Ngimshiye yena ngambingelele.
Okay. Nanto eki batla itseba ne di mom. The time you were being raped, was there ever a time ukile wa yima?
No, luckily I didn't become pregnant.
Okay.
Luckily. Even the late husband is there.
Your late husband is also one of your
Perpetrators.
Okay.
Late husband. You know why yena always ngihlala ngimention there is this thing esibiza IPV, intimacy partner violence. Abantu abayi-2 abathandanayo but mabephumela ngaphandle you don't see anything. Like we're watching TV. Oh, okay. Umntana usendlini. We're watching TV. Oh, okay. I can see the signs, man. Lona, yabona. Angikho lapho. Angikho lapho. Ayangikwazi ukutshela ukuthi awume kancane, yabona. Fine. Uyabona man ukuthi the actions zami yabona.
Yeah.
Ngizose kubaba emehlweni, ebusweni bami. Pepper spray.
Endlini. For in man.
Sihleli so, yesofeni.
Okay.
Ukuthi uyithathe nini kanti angazi.
Wenzani ngayo? Into engifuna ukuyenza.
Bekasebenza as a security.
Okay.
So angithi make buya emsebenzini ubuya nazo noma uyabona. So mina ngimangele lento ebabayo. Mangithi ngivula amehla wavuleki. Now I'm using my mind ukuthi umnyango ukuphi. and ngiyazi ukuthi la erumini into eso ihleli kaso.
Yeah, true.
Focus yami iba semnyango. Mangithi ngibamba ihandle yomnyango, ihandle inqamuke. Remember angiyibambi kahle angithi
ubalance ngayo.
Yo, handle yomnyango inqamuke. Ngiyascreama. Ngithi kunalento engiqophile kuyababa, I understand. Aqhekeza umnyango. Ngiyaphuma futhi like still using my mind ngiyempompini. Athi no ungaye empompini ungathela amanzi kuzobaba worse. Ngithi but I want to see. Ngifuna ukubona ngoba lento le engiyenzakalele angiyazi ukuthi yini. Telling amanzi. The more mangiqeda ukuthela amanzi
Kubaba worse vele.
Not
come down.
Baba worse kuba cool ne? Bese kuyababa futhi. Should makuthola something ebandayo.
Cooler down.
Cooler down. Then iphinde yabona. Ngathele. Mase siya erumini sihlangana nenye couple ebeyihlala khona lapha. Bathi ngwenze njani? Kuphendule yena. Hayi unenkinga yamehlo. I can't even say anything. Can't. Athi nje Nkosi makungaba sekuseni maybe khona into engconywana engizoyikhuluma. Hayi nisingene sihlale amnike ivaslap emanzi ngiloku ngizenza ngevaslap. Maybe after leyo incident 30 minutes to 45 minutes athi so uzizwe njani? Ngithi no I'm good. Athi sure. Ngithi yeah sure. Athi remember yakhumbula mangithela ngepaper spray ukuthi kusukephi? Ngithi yes I remember. Athi lento ebengiyifuna ngisayifuna namanje.
Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've been showing us on our journey so far. We truly do appreciate you guys from the depths of our hearts. Now guys, for us to continue bringing you guys nothing but the best high quality content, please do join and become a member for as little as 19 Rand 99 cents a month. And so far, we've managed to reach 100K subscribers in less than 1 year. And it's all thanks to you guys. We love you guys so much. Please do continue supporting, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. We see you guys. I'm with the comment sections. We love you guys so much. From Flow to Podcast to me. Thank you guys.
At lende bengiyifuna beyenza ukuthi ngikuthele ngepaper spray. Ngisayifuna namanje.
And this time, how long are you guys married?
Sishade 2010.
What's your name?
He passed away 2014. I think this thing happened 2012.
Okay.
Masukuma ayimphethe. Weza wayenza into great. Life continues like nothing happened. Ekseni mangivuke ngomuntu ofuna ukutshela leya couple ukuthi hayi bafowethu I'm done. Angisafuni. Yabo, but ngaba nalento ukuthi husband is someone quiet. Noma ngakutshela ngithi
wenza into
uyaphuza angeke uzubelieve. We understand. I'm like ngathi mangitshela ugelo ngathi no lo angisho the reason ukuthi wayengithele ngepaper spray. But ngivele ngathi lo usebenzisa into zasemsebenzini ngendlela engekho right. And ngathi ngathola isupervisor yakhe ngitshela isupervisor yakhe and then ugelo wathi but mawutshela isupervisor uzomxoshisa emsebenzini uzolamba. I was like, oh, okay, let me relax. And 2013 he became sick. Yilo ngathi uphathwa umkhuhlane until azahlala phansi angasayi emsebenzini. Heart failure, prostate cancer. He was HIV positive. So kushuthi konke sekuyavuka manje like ngesikhathi esiwani, yabona. And I said to him, do you know ukuthi zonke lezi zinto bowungenza zona as much as now ungasena mandla ukungenza anything, do you know ukuthi I can do anything to you? Because so rely kimi ufuna amanzi it's me, ufuna ukudla it's me, like yayibona. Now I said into azoyikhuluma because manje sekumele ngimnese, yabona. And ukumnesa kwami sekukumnesa kokuthi eish kamba married
Yeah.
kulo muntu lona yabona and family members mabeza they expect ukuthi bamthole right clean edlile all those things we understand but deep down ngizwa mana ukuthi
I
deserve to the point ukuthi ngake ngamthola nentombazana eroomini lethu embhedeni. That is when the 11th suicide came. That one was the 10th one. Embhedeni. Ngibuya mina la ngibuya khona mangithi nami intombazana embhedeni wearing night dress yami. So ngithi mina bonke labo kade uchita nabo where are they now? Because at the end of the day yimanje osekasele osekumele ayenze umsebenzi wethu sonke. Let them come.
That's a season now.
Yes, let them come because now so ufake ipampers mfethu. So umuntu ekumele akukwe embhedeni uassistwe ubeke esitulweni uya understand mawungena indlu inuka amaphilisi akasakhona nokuya toilet ibhakede mawulithatha kumele lithathe ulibeke la. Where are they? Uzangaza njalo. Until azoya esibhedlela. And funny enough ke make esibhedlela besilungisela ibaby shower yomntana sekhaya. 12 o'clock mabemsusa bemsesibhedlela. 12 o'clock mina ngisuka phezulu kwesofa ekhaya. Ngisuka phezulu kombhede ngiyohlala esofeni. I'm like, iroom lami leli but I'm not feeling okay. Something is not okay. Kunento engayenzi sense. The moment kuphuma umphefumulo kuye ngabo 5 or to 5 is the moment ngisuka esofeni ngithi ngigibela embhedeni. Ngene khona. Ngithi laba bangifonelayo mhlambe babuye emjayivweni. Mangithi okay ngiyabona mama. Hello. Bayaphikisana manje umama nomntwana. Hayi ngitshela. Nalo ngitshela. Hayi uthulana eshonile. Ngithi okay. I don't wanna like khona la ngiyengafila khona ubuhlungu yabona but okay at the end of the day lo muntu uye wangishela ngoba ngithanda sashada kunomntana phakathi ukwenzile lokho akwenzile I don't know ama reasons akhe ukuthi wayakwenzile but at the end of the day bengimthanda yabona ngibona nje sengikhala inyembezi ngathi ngikhalelani manje ngoba lo muntu ugulile vele phambi kwami ene besekaneswa yimi like ngiyi1 yabona it's a lot. That is when ngingena endlini ke ngitshela umamkhulu uthi Thulani passed away. Hawu kamampela futhi athi hayi man ulale kabi or ngithi no ushonile. Ngiprepare siye kubo. Ushone eksena ngithi ngabo 5. I think ngabo 10 11 if I'm not mistaken. My sister gave birth to a baby girl. And I'm like, yo, ilanga lami liqale gabi nang baby girl and baby girl njengoba avelile primer ovele nge7 months. Yeah, understand? Ngoba ngithathe isikhathi futhi ukuthi umntwana ngimjwayele. You understand? Because kuncanyana kungaka uvele maqeda ukushona uthulane all those things yabo so that was my life. Rape iyayenzeka even kuma couples can be can be abantu abashadile and mawukala ufuna uvoice out because ukhona you can't even voice out. Abanye bazobuza ukuthi why I decide to ukuyikhuluma now ngoba lo muntu akasekho. We understand and there is something thina abantu besifazane sithanda ukuyiprove ukuthi mina njengoba ngishadile ngeke sihlukane. Niyabona njengoba ngishadile ngeke size sihlukane. There are many things ezenza ukuthi abantu bahlukane. There are many things ezenzakala emshadweni but you decide ukuthi ithi ngithole. Mawuphumela ngaphandle ngathi happy. Mawubuya endlini
uchaza abantu bakajudge.
Mawubuya endlini ziyabuya. Uzufile ukuthi ngathi ngabe bolo uhleli.
Usingile once. You uziboni ihleli mama.
Yo,
hayi udibone. Okay, so what advice would you give a young girl that has once been uthabangile no go bua? Ha tsebo ga ka bua batla mo jaja or I feel safe enough go bua and ke motho ha o feel ene. What advice would you give them gore ba khone go te defend or I don't know, somehow they must be able to speak up?
Okay, number 1 vele into engizoyisho. Most yama rapists abantu who are close to us. Nawo ngeke uzumcabangele ukuthi this person angayenza so. And number 2, as a victim, accept kuqala ukuthi this happened. Hayi ngoba bogqoka into emfishane, hayi ngoba mhlambe there is something wrong oyenzile. It was a matter yokuthi lo muntu loyo ukhethe wena. And you can learn something from that. Remember, mina whatever happened to me kungithathile kwangenza lento engiyiyo today. And accept, if you don't have anyone to tell, social workers, psychologists, if ufunda isikolo, your teacher, because most of the time my parents wethu maswatshela, they don't believe us.
Sure.
You can even write ufune nje incwadi ubhale everything. Angithi asina bomama sihlala isiqoqa. Maybe umamakho angahlangana na that thing ayifuni. That is when maybe I thought, okay, this is happening emntwaneni wami. We understand, because the moment you don't tell anyone, anger is there. Suicidal thoughts are there. Behavioral problem is there. The moment omunye decides to become a prostitute. I nearly took that decision after losing Antoine, nendoda. Good, no, let me go and be a prostitute. So now let me go. I think that is when uNkulunkulu wangichange wathi. Angikufuni lapho, ngikufuna la. So that is why ngithi accept yourself, find someone ongakhuluma naye. And suicide, it's not an answer. It's not a solution. Not ukuthi ungathola umuntu wasekhaya ongakhuluma naye. Find someone ozomtrusta, because sometimes you find ukuthi you are being every day to the point ukuthi unga end up mhlambe soba pregnant. And remember, if you are young and you become pregnant, umntwana, the family decides ukuthi umntwana uyamkhipha. Wait until the age of 18 or 16. You go and open a case. Remember, our bola ngithi lama case. Ubatshela nje ukuthi the evidence is there. They take DNA kumntwana. Thatha DNA kulo yamona, but because masitshela abazali ukuthi usibanibani uzokutshela ukuthi no, lo muntu ulethe impuphu la endlini. Lo muntu wenza 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Asikwazi ukubophisa lo yamuntu. Or ifamily ithi asithengeni imbuzi. The izothi ngcono ngithenga imbuzi ngihlawule. The damage oyenzile lapha yana kulo yamntwana.
Exactly.
Yes, the damage oyenzile ikhosa in the behavioral problem.
Okay, so what advice would you give parents wona la ukhuluma ngawo ukuthi bona they don't believe their children, because vele abaningi they don't want to believe their kids because they don't want to face reality. Okay, ngwana ko what do I do? How do I protect my child? Ukaba rawo ring batsadi.
Kubazali, let us become friends with our kids. Number 1. Remember nabantwana babafana. Nabo bayabasodomize ngathi. Let us be friends with our kids. Akekho umuntu obona i-change umntwana more than umama. If your child changes, you are the first person to see it. Biza umntanakho, even though angeke aze akutshele same time. But keep on pushing. Ukuthi no man, why kwenzakala so? If uyabona ukuthi ithatha isikhathi eside iloku iyayenzakala and you can't get through umntanakho, find someone omdala ombonayo ukuthi ucloser to your child. Akhulume naye, or else you can go kuma psychologists, psychiatrists, social workers. You know, there is something that is happening, but angikhona ukufinyelela kuyo. We understand. Let us not judge or take decisions for abantwana bethu. Ngithi umalume wase next door ngenza ukuthi bese uthi ayifani naye, ifana nobani, because these perpetrators la abobhuti abahla abafaka amasuti abafaka ini ongeke uze umcabangele ukuthi. We understand. And istory sinama side ayi2. Mamela lela side, then if you feel ukuthi loyana anikwazi approach, go to the police station. Ngoba umntwana ngithi uzovela yenzeni, uzogeza angithi asuse everything. But akusho ukuthi ngoba asuse everything they can't try something else ukuthi bathole ukuthi. Because let me tell you, being damages you. Like, we are like a walking ghost. Maungakadili nokuthi we are a victim of but the moment so delile ukuthi now I'm not a victim, I'm a survivor. Now you become a human being again to the point ukuthi mawubona the person who used to you will be like yangibona mara uthi ngibhekile. So mina the ones that have challenged engababona ngaba challenge afone futhi ubuya futhi siphinde futhi like saying to him so bona ukuthi ubani ozophuma ephila ubani ozophuma alimele. We understand that time beningenze ngisese kuseseninyama ebusweni benka yabona manje sengiyakwazi ukuzidefend. I don't think ukuthi you can come and touch me to the point ukuthi noma ngibone TV but nangu umntana in I'm like mara why ungizanga kini once ngoba now umushelo yamntwana lo yana. We understand. And thina abazali ke mase sicala sesibona ibehavior yomntana sesiba namagama. Kandawazi kuthi ku deep. We understand. I was good deep. And mawungathula ubheke most yama survivors sikhuluma sesibadala because we can stand now for ourselves. You understand? Njengoba lento boyisho ukuthi ama viewers nama listeners banokukhuluma izinto ezizwisa umuntu ubuhlungu. Uyabona? But the more you share your story so uyazi vele ukuthi khona uzokhuluma something negative.
Guys, I'm a bit need to fetch. Okay. Just mind my camera myself. Yeah. Can you continue?
Can we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, Roseanne. Okay, Di Mama, I'm grateful for you coming to tell us your story. Yo, it's a touchy one.
Yeah,
you survived and you're strong, I can see.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry for everything you've been through. But I'm also glad you went through it because now you are in Bogota now.
Yes,
you see?
yes.
Yeah. After all, we all come out standing tall. Okay. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. And also hit the notification bell down below. Like, commenting, guys. And please be soft on the comments, guys. We just need love, not hatred. And please take care of your children and make sure that you guide them and you make a safe space for them to be able to talk to you without having to feel scared. Judge. Make it safe because these kids are going through a lot, but we don't know because so that's it for me for today. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Bye.
Okay, gama lami nomkhosi Dorine Msomi Indlovukazi, the Lioness, Queen of Chiscop, icheri yasekasi, uma olady wasekasi, isister lasekasi, ubandalicious, ipansulakazi, Mrs. Esoweto Personality 2022-2023, Mrs. Esoweto Humanitarian 2024-2025, Miss Diva Mom Diamond Queen 2025-2026, Miss Diva Mom Charity Traveler. Maungifuna uzongithola kwi Facebook as Dorine Nomkhosi Msomi Indlovukazi and then kwi TikTok as a Queen of Chiscop. I do motivational talks. Everyone is welcomed ukuthi angifone so that I can give you ama numbers. Queen of Chiscop. Thank you.
Thank you.